Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing banana fritters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So in a bowl, I'm going in with 5 small bananas. I'm going to use my fork to just crush them. If you guys have any potato masher at home, you can always go ahead and use it instead of the fork, alright? You always want to ensure that your banana is crushed nicely. So you just need to take your time and do what you have to do, alright? All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Guys, remember to be creative in the kitchen and remember to be you. Just a note, as you guys can see, I'm using some overripe bananas. I have these bananas in the fridge for roughly about a month now, and I decided, listen, it's time to use them up because they're going bad, alright? So once my bananas, they're finished crushing, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some nutmeg to this. And I'm also going to add some cinnamon powder. And if you guys have other spice that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so, alright? I will also go in and add some salt. Combine all of that nicely together. You always want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with some brown sugar. You guys can always go in and add some granulated sugar if you have granulated sugar at home, but I always think with this kind of recipe the brown sugar works better. Once everything is nicely combined, you're gonna go in with 1 cup of counter flour and combine everything together nicely before you add the water, alright? I know some person's gonna ask, do we have to use water to make up this batter for this fritters? No, you don't have to. If you have almond milk at home that you want to add, or even coconut milk, you can always go ahead and add it instead of the water, alright? You don't want to add all of the water at once, you just want to add a small amount. Also, you don't want your batter to be too runny or too thick. So I will advise you guys to just add a small amount, alright? Before you don't add all of the water, just add a small amount at each time when it requires water, alright? So while I'm doing this, I put my frying pot on the stove with some vegetable oil, and I'm going to allow that to just heat up until I'm finished with the batter, alright? Just a note, you can always go ahead and have these banana fritters by itself. You can always go ahead and drink it with some mint tea, with some chocolate tea, or even some coffee, whatever you guys like, alright? So once I'm finished with the batter, I just put it to the side until my frying pot is heated, alright, and ready. And guys, you always want to ensure as well that all of the flour is nicely combined, alright? So as per usual, I'm going to use my tablespoon to just drop the butter because I think the tablespoon works best. It makes your fritters so nice and bite-sized, alright? Just the right size that you're looking for. So we're just going to take our time and just drop these fritters batter and ensure that you turn on your stove on the medium heat. If you turn it up too high, then it's a possibility your fritter is going to fry fast and they will eventually just burn up and on the inside is not really cooked, alright? So this should take you about 7 minutes, 3.5 minutes on each side, alright? And then guys, just a note, it's up to you really, alright? Because I know some persons like when their banana fritters just a little bit brownish, but some like when it's golden brown. That's the way I like it. So it's up to you. If this is the way that you like it, you can always go ahead and have it like that. But if you want it to be darker than that, then you can just give it some more minutes. All right, so we're just going to flip our fritters over on the other side and allow the other side to fry as well. So now that my fritters, they're all finished frying, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove them, put them on this plate. And as you can see, I lined the plate with paper towels so that the excess oil from the fritters can drain. So once I'm finished taking out these fritters, I'm just gonna go ahead and just add the rest of the fritters batter to the hot oil and allow the rest of it to fry, and then come back and show you guys the final product of my banana fritters. Stay tuned, guys. Can't wait to show you the final product. All right, stay tuned. And again, remember, you can get all of these ingredients at your local supermarket or grocery store. You can even get your banana at your local market. All right. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my banana fritters. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and see you tomorrow. Bye.